In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear struts. Let's get started. Use a 21mm socket and take off all 5 of your lug nuts so we can take the wheel off. From under the vehicle, you'll see that the bottom part of the strut is held on with a 19mm nut, so take this off. From out here by where the wheel is, you'll notice that there's a 14mm bolt going up into the body. We'll have to remove that. And then there's a stud right there and another one on this side. Both of those will have 14mm nuts inside the vehicle on the top. We'll get to those, but for now, let's take this one out. Those fasteners are located right in that area, so we'll have to pull the carpet back, but there is one that's right between the seat and this part here, so we're gonna have to fold the seat. To do that, you can pull on this and pull the seat forward. Now you can peel back this carpet liner. With it out of the way, you'll notice the 14mm nut right here that we're after. There's another one on this side. Looks the same as this one. It's just a little bit more difficult to see. So I'm gonna take that one out first. There it is. This is the last thing that's holding this strut on. Set it aside. Now back underneath. I'm going to use a pry bar and try to pry it off of here. This one's fairly stuck. Sometimes they slide off easy. Other times they're a little rusted on there. Now, you can take it off of the bottom, off of the top, and there it is. There's your old strut. If you have a lot of rust buildup here, clean this off. Optional, but recommended if you live in a rusty climate. Add some grease to this shaft here, or anti-seize, whatever you have. This will do 2 things. 1, it'll help the new strut slide in a lot easier because it's greased up, and 2, it will prevent it from seizing in the future. But don't apply any to the threads. You want to leave these nice and dry so that the nut can grab on and stay nice and tight. Make sure the mounting surface is clean at the top. There's no debris preventing it from seating up against this all the way. And if you have a rusty surface here, clean it up and take care of it, because there's actually an O-ring gasket that sits around here to seal it and prevent water and debris from getting inside your trunk. Now take the strut and slide it through. Bring it up into the body first. Make sure the studs line up. And then this will be easiest if you have both sides disconnected, if you're doing both sides at the same time, which I am. That way you can pull this axle beam down and slide it on. Since we're here, let's put the lower bolt in. I'm gonna come back in a little bit and torque it, but I just want to secure it for now. Put the top mounting nuts back on and snug them up. The torque for these are 59 foot-pounds, and that includes the bolt that goes in from the bottom. So since I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and torque the 2 mounting nuts. Let's put the carpet back. Make sure you tuck it underneath the plastic trim and underneath the floor carpet, and put your seat back. Make sure it's locked in. Back underneath, again, also 59 foot-pounds. Next, let's put the lower bolt in. Take this washer, slide it over, and then put the mounting nut on. This is the 19mm nut. That also gets torqued to 59 foot-pounds. There we go. Now, do the same to the other side if you haven't already, and then let's put the wheels on. Put on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 76 foot-pounds. Double check them. Okay.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.